I'm Chris Grenade, a research software development engineer here at the Quantum Systems Group at Microsoft, and today I'll be talking about our work with the Quantum Development Kit and QuArC and how we're using these to make it easier than ever to get started with quantum computing and how to onboard to doing interesting and new research with QuArC, the Quantum Development Kit, and quantum computing. So you may have seen recently our announcement that we've made the Quantum Development Kit open source. We're very proud that we've put the QuArC compiler, simulators in many parts of the runtime, integration with data science platforms such as Jupyter, all open source under the same license that we've already put out the samples, libraries, and domain-specific libraries, and our documentation available under. Importantly, this also includes the quantum katas, one of the tools that we've provided the community to really make it easy to get onboarded onto quantum research in a hands-on way. So the katas are a series of self-guided exercises in quantum computing and the QuArC language available through the notebook interface. And each of these exercises consists of a series of different tasks where you can get immediate feedback that helps you understand concepts in quantum computing and build up confidence from that understanding. So for instance, here I'm asked to use one of the basic gates available with the QuArC language that I can use when I'm writing my own quantum programs, and I'm given a description of what transformation I need to implement. And if I go and run that task, I'll see that, oh, hey, I actually need to add some code here to make it work. And I can understand from that, looking at the hint, that if I go and call the X operation provided with the language, that actually implements the right operation. And I get that feedback I need to move forward confident that I've understood this correctly. You don't even have to install anything locally on your computer to get up and running using the quantum katas to build your understanding of quantum computing. If you go to the quantum katas repository on GitHub, then you can launch directly from there into a web-based experience for the quantum katas, which will spin up a new virtual machine on your behalf that you can use to get up and running quickly with different quantum computing concepts and to run the katas and get that feedback you need to onboard to quantum computing. And so you can see a full list of the different katas that we provide, and they cover a wide range of different topics, starting from the basics and building up to actual quantum algorithms. But as you move forward with that, we also provide enterprise-grade programming environments such as Visual Studio Code, as you might be familiar with from your use of Python or Tech or other sorts of languages that come up in data science and academic research. And in this case, QuArC is no different. We provide the sorts of tools that you're used to make it easy to get on board with programming and to take that to the next steps with actual enterprise-grade features. So it's very easy, for instance, to rename the different functions and operations that you write, to get feedback, to get documentation right in your editor when you hover that pulls from the actual documentation for those different library functions and operations. Quick feedback about syntax errors and other sorts of mistakes you might make so that typos don't get in the way and you can get back to what actually matters of using quantum computing to build cool things and to do neat research. So we encourage you to get involved, go look at our documentation, try things out. You don't even have to install anything locally. We're excited for you to join the community, and we can't wait to see what you'll do.